sequence defined like so. Part A, find the first 5 terms if, first off, I, C equals 1, then I'll do I, C equals 2, I, C equals 0, and finally IV, C equals a half. So the first one's U0 is C, so here U0 equals 1, and then U1, I've got to do 3 ones, which is 3, take away 1 is 2. U2, got to do 3 of this one now, so 3 2 is 6, take away 1 is 5. U3, 15 take away 1, 14, and U4, 42 take away 1, 41. Here we know that U0 is 2, U1 is 5, where this is going to be exactly the same as this, isn't it? U2 is 14, U3 is 41, and U4, 341 is 123, take away 1, 122. Here U0 equals 0, U1 equals nothing, take away 1 is minus 1, U2, negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, take away 1, minus 4, U3 is minus 13, and U4 is minus 40. And finally, U0 is a half, U1 is 3 halves, it's 1.5, take away 1 is a half, or they'll all be a half, all a half. Okay, first part, B. Show that for each of the values of C in part A, so C equals 1, C equals 2, C equals 0, and C equals a half, the terms of the sequence are given by this for some value of B. So terms of the sequence 1, 2, 5, 15, 41. Well, let's see what we've got. So it's saying that UR equals a half plus B times 3 to the R. Well, it tells us what when U0 is 1. So U0, so when R equals 0, that will say that here, that should be a half. A half plus B times 3 to the 0 is U0 is 1. So it says a half plus B equals 1, so B equals a half. Then I can just try it. U1 equals a half plus a half times 3 to the power of 1, which is 3 times a half, 1.5 plus a half, 2. That's true. And U2 equals a half plus half times by 3 squared, 9, 4.5 plus a half, 5. That's true. U3 is a half plus a half times 3 cubed. That's 27, 13.5 plus 1, 14, etc. I'm not going to keep on going, but the same sort of carries on. Now here we've got the same thing. UR equals a half plus B times 3 to the R. I need to work out what B is. So R equals 0. That'll say that a half plus B times by 3 to the 0, which will be 1. That must be 2. And so that'll be, that's a B. B will be 1.5. So B equals 3 over 2. Let's just try that. So U1 equals a half plus 3 over 2 times by 3 to the power of 1. That's 9 over 2. 4.5 plus a half, which is 5. And I can keep on going. U2 is a half plus 3 over 2 times by 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 27 over 2 is 13.5 plus that makes 14. Keep on going, I get the same things. Try the next one. UR plus a half, equals. UR equals a half plus b times 3 to the r. So if r equals 0, that'd be a half plus b times 1, and that must equal 0. And so b equals negative a half. Just check that. u1 equals a half minus a half times 3 to the power of 1. So that's a half minus 1.5, which is minus 1, etc. And finally, ur equals a half plus b times 3 to the r. So r equals 0. That'll be a half plus b times 1 equals a half. Therefore b equals 0. And that means always u to the anything equals a half. Good. The final bit I will do show this bit it's true. So if I've got ur equals this, then ur plus 1, what I've got to do is I've got to take this value here, I've got to times it by 3 and then subtract 1. So I've got to do 3 lots of a half plus b times 3 to the r. So that's 3 lots of u to the r, and then take away 1. And that is 1.5 times by 3 lots of this term here. But it doesn't matter, I don't have to do 3 times b times this. I could do 3 times the 3 to the power of first. So it'd be 3 times 3 to the power of r, which is the same as having r plus 1 3's all times together, and then multiply by b. So that is b times 3 to the r plus 1. And then the minus 1 at the end. 1.5 minus 1.5 is a half, plus, that should be a plus there, b times 3 to the r plus 1. And that's gone rid of that, and that is what they wanted it to be, or to show. And it all comes down to 3 times this bit is b times 3 to the r plus 1, because there's r plus 1, lots of 3 all times together. And that's done.